in a blessed up anointed place, and we want to build them up some more. So we working together, the advisory board, the Penn Center board of trustees, the staff here, and we want some more community volunteers who been here for come join me. Because anything going on here. 4th of July, we had the joint jam right there for growing people 25 years and over to raise funds for the Heritage Day celebration. Because our 7 o'clock, we have fish fry and all that party your ticket. Come on over, get your fly. The last Saturday of July, we have a Gullah Geechee Family Day, and I want more we out here, but we want to be out here. 4th of July, then Gullah Geechee Family Day, then we can have Gullah Geechee books and brunch. August 2nd, we can have them inside the York Milling Museum. And then, we getting all that money together for paying for this year, for the Heritage Day celebration.